Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create pixel in TikTok Ads Business Center. And by the way, if you want to try TikTok business, you can click the link in my bio and you are good to go. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what is a TikTok pixel? So a TikTok pixel is a small piece of code that you install on your website to measure the visitor activity, track conversion, improve your TikTok ad performance. And if you're running a website traffic, lead generation, or sales campaign, installing a pixel is one of the first thing you should do. So the guides cover the complete setup process. So make sure that you watch till the end of the video. So what is a so before you s- so before you start, make sure that you have a TikTok Business Center account. You have a TikTok Business Ad, and also you have a TikTok Ads Manager account. You also have a website or business website and admin access to your website and a published website. Yeah, recommended. So when we talk about having a business center account, make sure that you also have a TikTok business account since you need to use that TikTok business account to create this one, business center. So log into your TikTok Ads Manager. So that's the first step. Go to the adstiktok.com, TikTok Ads Manager, log into your account, and from the dashboard, open the menu and go to the tools right here. So under asset, there will be a events manager right here. So click on it. So now after clicking events manager, so this is where you will now have to connect a data source. So what is a data source? A data source is one that can install your pixel. So that is a pixel or events API. So you can use it alongside the pixel for more reliable tracking, but the pixel is the simplest options for the beginner. So you need to connect your data source. So click connect data source right here and choose website. Click next and add your website right here. And you need to choose a data connection method. So it's up to you. You can manual setup or you can use your partner integration. So it's up to you what type of data source you're using. So for example, let's use partner integration and let's use Shopify for example. So you just need to connect your TikTok and Shopify. Get started on Shopify. Log in on your skip this one and choose a data connection method. So if you may need to use a manual setup to add a TikTok pixel. So right here, so the recommended is TikTok pixel plus events API. So it's much better that you add events API together with TikTok pixel. So click this one and click next and name your pixel. So if TikTok also offers events API, as I said, you can use it alongside the pixel for more reliable tracking. So name your pixel, enter a descriptive name for your pixel. So I'm just going to put a random one. And but the main examples for pixel, for example, main website pixel, Shopify store pixel, e-commerce pixel, lead generation pixel, etc., like that. Make sure that you input a descriptive name. So after creating your pixel, click create. You need to install the base code. So copy the base code itself. And what to do with this code? You can just click email instruction so that the instruction will be sent to you. Click send. So the pixel instruction, the following information is used to identify your pixel in the base code. So this is the pixel ID, pixel name, pixel SDK configuration, and you just need to add a code to your website header, etc., like that. So if you want to see the more detail, just go to the Gmail and see the email that has been sent to you here. So after installing the pixel code, so this is the pixel ID that has been sent to me. Your TikTok pixel will be assigned to unique ID made up of letters. So this is the TikTok name. This is the TikTok basic code. So the basic code installation is required for setup with TikTok Pixel under both custom code and event builder. So just copy this one. So after TikTok generates a pixel code snippet, you copy the code. You need to paste it inside the head section of every page on your website before closing. So and publish your website. So for example, go to your website right here. For example, you have a website on Shopify itself. Just go to your Shopify, edit your Shopify code, and just paste your pixel right here. This is the pixel code. Just paste it right here and publish your website. And that's it. So after installing the base pixel, choose which event to track. So common events includes. So yeah, so after installing the base pixel, choose which events to track. So common events includes viewing the contents, and as I said, manage configuration. You can actually enable automatic advanced matching, so that with your pixel to automatically scan customer info on your website to match web events to TikTok users. So this helps attribute more conversion to your ads and improving ad targeting. So for industries such as financial service or healthcare, it is recommended you should also use this one. So make sure that you enable this one so that the customer's info you allow to share with TikTok, you can just check the email, address, phone number, external ID, and name. So to help protect your customer privacy, sensitive information will be hashed before it's shared with TikTok. And that's it. So set up events. So measure action visitors take on your website, such as viewing a page or adding an item to, etc. like that. Item. So use event builder for setup. So build event and set up parameters without code. So you just need to enter your web page where your events happen, and event builder takes it from there. So we just need to, paste your web page right here. So after pasting it, you now on the testing of your pixel. So there will be two options. So option one, test events directly. You use TikTok real-time test environment to send test events and verify events are triggering as expected on your website, or you can use TikTok Pixel Helper plugin. So it's up to you what options you use. So after that, you need to set up your business funnel. So different information is important for different industries. So you can choose a template or customize the information sent to TikTok based on your business needs. So choose a template, your business category. For example, you're under e-commerce or under lead ads, application submission, etc. like that, recruitment. So for example, we use e-commerce template. So this is the funnels, events, and the parameters. So this should reflect the user's journey on your website for enhancing performance and rewarding. So you just need to choose all of this one, set up this, set up that. And after doing all of that, just click next again. So now you need to implement events by API. So you can view or send the following instruction to a developer on how implement events API. So now you can just generate your access token. So an access token gives you access to events API. So each time you make a call, you're required to use one of your access token. So after a token is generated, make sure to copy it. So for security, TikTok won't save the token. So just copy this one. So now that you have a token, you just need to choose events you want to send from your server. We recommend choosing at least 3 events. You also need to make a request and set up to your payload right here. So you just need to, browse to this one, complete each setups right here. It's pretty much easy. So after you're done, just click next. And now, after setup, you can test if events are configured correctly and being received by TikTok. So now you can test events directly now. So right here. So this is the test events. Enter your website URL and click open websites. Take action on a page in the website. So the events from the action you took will displayed here. So every action that you have, for example, you add a website on Shopify, every action that you did, for example, you add a product, you, fulfill an order, it will appear right here. So actually, so as of now, no test events received yet since I did not do anything. But yeah, if you did something, they will appear right here. So now you're done. You can create it for your campaign. You can choose an objective such as sale leads, website conversion, and in the ad group settings, select your pixel. So since your pixel is now good, you just need to choose the conversion event you created, finish setting up your audience, budget, and ads, etc. like that right here on the campaign. And right now, TikTok can then optimize delivery based on your website events. So you just need to monitor your performance. In Ads Manager, you can now review metrics such as website visit, add to cart events, purchases, cost per acquisition, return on ad spend, and conversion rate. You can see all of that right here in the Ads Manager. So yeah, that's it. Best practice, install the pixel before launching your first ad campaign. So make sure that in before adding and creating a campaign, set up your TikTok pixel first. So and track only the events that matter for your objectives. You can use consistent event names across your website and combine the pixel with the events API if your business needs more resilient tracking. And make sure that you regularly monitor diagnostic and events quality in Ads Manager. And that's it. That's how you can create pixel in TikTok Ads Business Center. And again, if you want to try TikTok Business, you can click the link in my bio and you're good to go. And also, that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next one.